And welcome to the 18th live of Atrangi. This is the 18th episode of What's New Atrangi, and today is all about Rakhis. So Rakhis around the corner, and we know a lot of y'all are looking for good Rakhi options or good bracelet options for your bhabhi or your sister, because why not tie a Rakhi to your sister also, right? So we have a lot more options which we are here to show you in person, which you can pick up from us and get it quickly delivered to yourself before Rakhi comes into picture. And here are they. They're gonna be a quick live session, or these have been going on with us since a while. You've seen these Meenakari Rakhis on our page and they always do so well, and this year we plan to not repeat it, but the demand was crazy. A lot of people sent screenshots saying, why don't you do Meenakari Rakhis anymore? And here it is. Hi Akansha, hello. Hi Bhavya, hello Suman, hi Kunjan, thanks for joining in. This is a beautiful Meenakari Rakhi. You can buy these two in combinations if you like any of them. You can take screenshots or pictures of them, and we'll be happy to send you more options. The drawstring also comes in a men compatible size, so it'll easily fit a man's wrist. We also have these twistable, flexible Holdali Rakhis, which we have been selling really well on our website. It's doing quite well for us. These are flexible, twistable Meenakari Rakhis. These are actually bracelets, guys, but they a lot of people just tend to, Rakhis anyway cost something between 300 to 400, and then you tend to just throw it away once you're done using it. Things like a bracelet would last you forever, and you can easily wear it and style it again. This is a beautiful Meenakari Rakhi bracelet which you wear as a Rakhi. You can give it to your sister. It makes for a nice gift as well. This is waterproof, tarnish free. It looks very nice. And we have these which have been selling really well for us since a while as well. They are for 1,050 each. The Meenakari Rakhis are for 550 rupees each. They're really smart, very wearable, and they come in multiple color options. We have like a tan, we have a brown, we have a blue, pink, red, strawberry, red, we have a gray, we have black, and we have all the letters. The letters have zircons in them. They look very attractive when you wear. The evil eye quality is very high, and this, even if for not a Rakhi, for a gift, if you want to give it, it's a beautiful gift to give someone. It's very customized. The thought is beautiful behind it, giving an evil eye piece. We also have this Sona Moti Rakhi right here. It's a Sona Moti bracelet. This is one of our best sellers this season. It's doing really well. It's with a chain and looks like a very nice Rakhi to gift to your brother. All our Rakhis come with this option of Roli Chawal. You can order and add Roli Chawal to your Rakhi package, and we can send a personalized note from your end to your sister or brother as well. If anywhere in the world they are. This is a Jadao Rakhi. Now these are really pretty Rakhis as well. We have them in Navratna and Multi as well, and again I think this is for 850 or 650. This one is for I think 850. And the Roli Chawal packages are also a part of the whole thing. You can add the Roli Chawal depending on your requirement. Moving on, I'll show you this beautiful gold bracelet also, which can be used and gifted in Rakhi. And if you're looking at bracelets to add to your Rakhi and you don't want to give like a traditional style Rakhi, we have a lot of bracelets over here which you can use and give. The one I'm wearing with the multi-gemstone, last time I was wearing the multi-gemstone necklace. I now have this multi-gemstone dangling bracelet, and this one is only for 2150. It's very wearable. Meanwhile, we have this twistable, flexible gold piece as well. This opens up in a spiral. It's really wearable, and this one's for 1650. It's a ghungru style piece. The gold would never tarnish in this, and any kurta or anything you wear, it looks very attractive to give your bhabhi. We have this tennis bracelet, thick and pretty, super stylish. This one's for 3850. We have this Gajra bracelet also, which you can give as a gift, which looks very nice. This one's also for around 3950. We have these crystal beaded Rakhi concept pieces. They also look attractive. It's in red and green, mint and pastels. We have all the color options available over here, and my personal favorite is this combo pieces. This one's only for 2350, guys. It's a very pretty piece, and even for your personal use, it's a great piece to have. We have these basic tennis bases which you can just give for Rakhi. We have it in blue, in red, and they look very attractive, only for 2650 each. and they look very nice. We have these pieces over here as well, which come in emeralds, fluorites, with diamonds. It's in Marquise diamonds in the center. This one is also for 2650. Meanwhile, we have these small ones right here, which is for 2350. This one's a 23, this one's a 226, sorry. This one's a multi-gemstone bracelet. It's a super pretty piece. This also you can give for Rakhi or wear it yourself. Or you can give it as a gift along with the Rakhi which you're giving. It's anyway, it's a very versatile piece. Nowadays, people don't like giving traditional Rakhis anymore. People want something which is again usable because you're anyway spending money on it. This is a nice twistable flexi bracelet. It's Trida, it's on our website. It's only for 2950 and it looks very attractive when you wear it. Moving on, since this is supposed to be a very quick live, I'm gonna go to the Rakhi section again. Again, a few Meenakari Rakhi options with pastels, grey, mint, pink. We have this dark green Meena, the pastel blue Meena. They are very pretty. The yellow is one of my favorites. We have a beige and we have a blue again. Very nice to wear. It's like a subtle tennis bracelet which can be worn on anything Indian or even Westerns for that matter, with pearl detailing around it. And I also have these pretty ones here with pastels on the sides. We had launched this last year as well. Got a great response on them and we repeated them this year as well. It's with crystals and Meenakari in the center. And we have this one over here as well. They come in Bhaiya Bhabhi combinations. And you can also use the Love Atrangi code and get a 5% on these Rakhis if you order right away. And that's it for now. All of these Rakhis are quite affordable. The combos are very well priced. The whole combo is a 1650. You can get this one along with this one and they go really well when gifted together. And these are again something you can repeat again. So we kept the entire live very Rakhi focused. We wanted to make sure we show you the options in person or what's available out there. In case you're looking for something specific, you can always DM us and we'll be happy to help you. Have a great weekend and ending our live on a very happy note. See you guys next Saturday. Bye.